Good morning, students. Welcome back to Maths online classes. Our exams are over now, and now we have to learn new chapter. Okay, so today's topic is chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20, isn't it? So, in previous chapter number 2, we studied up to 9. From 1 to 9 we have studied. This number is called single digit number. Okay, now we are going to learn about 2-digit number. In chapter 2, we studied from 1 to 9. These numbers are single digit number. Okay, this single digit number always stands in ones place, isn't it? Now in chapter number 5, we are going to learn 2-digit number. In this chapter, we are going to learn 2-digit number. 2-digit number is 11, 12, 13, like this up to 20. This number is called 2-digit number, and like this, in this stands in ones place. So this will stands in, like for example, 11. Okay, so this 0 is O is represent ones, and this T is represent tens. So first one is stands in ones place and second one is stands in tens place. By this way only we can understand that which number is coming in tens place or which number is coming in ones place, isn't it? Now we are going to, first I will clean this board. Now, first one is, we are going to write from 11 to 20. Number name of 11 to 20. Here we are. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. The spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N. The spelling of 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E. The spelling of 13 is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. The spelling of 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. The spelling of 16 is S-I-X-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 17 is S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. The spelling of 18 is E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 19 is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. And the last one is 20. The spelling of 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y. So student, we are going to start from spelling. Okay, number names of 11 to 20. So here from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I am written over each and everyone's number name. So you have to learn this number name at your home and please note down on your maths copy, isn't it? I am going to repeat once again. The spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N. The spelling of 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E. The spelling of 13 is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 16 is S-I-X-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 17 is S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 18 is E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. The spelling of 19 is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. And the last one, 20, is T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Now, you have to write this 2 times at your maths copy. Okay. Now, next one is, we are going to start our exercise. Okay. Take out page number 60. Page number 60. In page number 60, you are going to see that a fill in the blanks is given over there. Fill in the blank is given over there. The numerals in the correct order. With the numerals in the correct order. Okay. This question is given in page number 60. So now first one is solve 8, 9, then 6. Then in last 16 is written over here like this in page number 60 given over there. You all can see that. Okay. So after 8, 9 will come. After 9, 10 will come. After 10, 11. After 11, 12. After 12, 13. After 13, 1, 4, 14. After 14, 1, 5, 15. Like this, you can see in your maths book. Now, next one is only 7 and 8 is given over there. You have to write the next numbers which will come in this blanks. After 8, 9, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. Isn't it? Now the next one is 10 and 11. 10 and 11. Now same as it is, we have to write over here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have to write the numbers in continuation. Okay? Mean अगर 10 यहाँ लिखे हैं, उसके बाद 11 लिखे हैं, 11 के बाद क्या आता है? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. इसी तरह से हमको कंटिन्यूएशन में लिखना है. Isn't it? So after this, बाकी के जितने ब्लैंक्स दिए हुए हैं ये आप लोग घर पे खुद से कंप्लीट करेंगे. Isn't it? आप आगे आप अपने से लिखेंगे. Okay. Now page number 61. Now we will do page number 61. Which question is given over there? Fill in the placeholders with greater or smaller. Fill in the placeholder with greater or smaller. Okay? आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया है, जिस तरफ ये माउथ ओपन होता है इसका मतलब ग्रेटर साइन, और जिस तरफ ऐसे क्लोज होता है दैट मीन स्मॉलर साइन. ओके, सो we will take some few examples of that question is 18, 15, 12, 14, 17 and 13. 18 dash 15 12 14 and 17 and 13. Like this, some questions are given over there. I am taking few questions. After that you have to solve by your own. Okay. Now 18 and 15. Which one is greater? 18 बड़ा है या 15 बड़ा है? Obviously 18 बड़ा है. So 18 की तरफ mouth will be open and 15 की तरफ mouth will be closed. Okay. Now 12 or 14. 14 is bigger. Now 17 and 13. Which one is greater? 17 is greater than 13. So you have to do at your copy, and I will send PDF to you for this page number 60 and page number 61. By the help of PDF you can complete your book and copy, isn't it? That's it for your today's classes, and we will meet in next classes and we will continue next questions in next classes. Take care of yourself and thank you, students.